Savannah sent me this huge box. Let's open it and see what we have. Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are doing a huge Savannah haul. Before I start the video, I just wanna tell you that you can use my discount code for special discount on your order from Savannah, and सारे जो links है ना वो नीचे description में है, so you can check it out. If you have any questions regarding anything, just let me know in the comments. Now without further ado, let's start with the video. So we have clothing, accessories and whatnot. Honestly, I don't remember what we have. पहली चीज़ से start करते हैं जो सबसे ऊपर रखी थी. Okay, so this is what it is. Oh nice, this is actually a roller for your front fringes or curtain bangs. This is what was there on the website and I ordered this. It comes with its own roller and like a clip, so you can just clip it here. I will use it and come back to you in one of the shots if it works or not. The outfit that I'm wearing currently is also from Savannah. Another thing that we have here is this travel bottle. It's so cute. It's like a tiny spray bottle, but this one's super aesthetic and I thought I'll just transfer my serums in it like while traveling, and it can be like a good misting spray. It looks like this and it looks nice and good quality. Next items that we have are some hair clips, some very tropical inspired hair clips. As you can see, they are like in these flowers. Now I can't wait to take them on my next beach vacation. They're gonna look super cute. And we have here like a pack of 6. Last time जब मैंने pins मंगवाए थे Savannah से, they all came broken, so I'm actually very happy कि ये ठीक आया. And they are look at them, they look so Pinteresty and very pretty. Like this one looks so real. This is like my favorite flower, by the way. Like I love the smell of it and it feels real for some reason, and it's so pretty. Like of course with the side parting, but you can imagine, right? Okay, now before we go ahead in the video, I just want to give you one disclaimer that your girl is obsessed with polka dots right now, so you're gonna see like a lot of polka dot items. So let's see what we have first. Ooh, what are you? It's a skirt. Oh my god, this is so cute, you guys. Like this is like a balloon sort of skirt, and wow, are you kidding me? These are actually skirts. My god, जब भी मैंने सोचा कि और perfect नहीं हो सकती है ये. These are skirts, you guys. Hello, these are gonna be my new favorite. Like imagine wearing it on like a fitted black bodysuit, or maybe red also. It's gonna look super hot with red too, and with brown too as well, but I think black would go perfectly. I'm very excited. By the way, I'm gonna show you everything that we have here. Like I'm unboxing it first, but you can see the try on. So cute. Okay, next let's see what we have. I think I know what this is. Okay, so this is the next item, an oversized shirt, and it says born to read, forced to work, and it has like this quirky print, pages over paychecks, and I love it, you guys. Hello, I'm definitely gonna be wearing it on one of those days when I am just spending my time reading, and मेरे mind में like literally मेरा mind is telling me all the time that you're not productive enough. भाई editing कर लो, खाली बैठे हो, book मत पढ़ो, ये वो फला. Like my mind does not let me focus on my hobbies happily, which तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था that I am my biggest enemy and I have to fight against that. So I'm gonna be fighting it wearing this t-shirt because I love reading. Okay, so this is our next item. It seems like the yoga gym wear set, and I'm happy कि ये navy blue ही आया है. Like this is the picture on the website. मुझे थोड़ा सा doubt था कि कभी picture में ना dark लगता है color, and I did not want that royal blue color for my gym wear, and this is actually navy blue and it seems really good quality. It has like a butt, this thing also, it enhances your butt basically. ये ना एकदम वो वाला कपड़ा है जो योगा पैंट्स वाला कपड़ा होता है. It's not your dry fit fabric, and this is how the sports bra or sports top that comes with it looks like. I know यहाँ से थोड़ा weird लग रहा है ये. मुझे लग रहा है कि when I'm stretching, so it might be a problem, but we'll see that in try on. But overall this set seems so smart to me, especially the color combination. It looks very chic. Love wearing cute athleisure wear. Like honestly, that just motivates me more to go out of my comfort zone and do something, because clothes have always been like my escape, or the way I, just express myself, if that is the correct term. Anyway, this is getting too deep now, and we're just talking about clothes, right? Next thing, okay, let's open this one first. What do we have? Okay. गाइज इतने मेरे पास ना 3-4 रफल स्टाइल में टॉप है, एंड आई फील वेरी ब्यूटिफुल व्हेन आई वेयर देम. लाइक आई फील very feminine and just like a soft girl version of me. Another one, but this one's in like fun animal print, and it's such a beautiful piece. जिसका fabric है वो एकदम ऐसा chiffon है, and this is how the sleeves are looking. It's gonna look really nice if you have like semi formal situation in your offices, so you can definitely get this for that as well. Again, it's ruffly and it has these buttons also. Okay, I can open it. Wow. Okay guys, it's like a short, a button down short, but with ruffles. So that is really cool, I feel, and the print and the color is so cute. Like it's in the shade of beige and brown, and it's super trendy. The price on it is 1190, like 1200. Use my discount code, so you're gonna get 20% off on your entire cart. If it's above like a certain amount, you can check it out, but minimum आपको 10% तो मिलेगा ही, even if your order is as small as 500 or 1000 rupees. Next thing that I have is a t-shirt. Okay. Oh, it's like a baby tee. वो बहुत ही fitted वाली t-shirts नहीं होती, and it has like Powerpuff Girls on it. क्या लिखा है इस पे? Super cute, super fierce. Explaining someone. Hello. But no. ज़्यादा ड्रामा ना करते हुए, I just wanna say this is such a cute t-shirt. I mean, fabric is more like जो थोड़ा जिम वेयर का फैब्रिक होता है ना, ड्राई फिट स्टाइल में, उस तरह का है. इट्स नॉट योर कॉटन टी शर्ट, बट आई थिंक इट्स सुपर क्यूट फॉर लाइक योर जिम वेयर ऑल्सो. आई मीन, आई कैन डेफिनेटली वेयर इट ओवर माई ब्लू leggings and it's gonna look amazing. So I'm gonna try it with that only and you can see how it looks. Next thing, कुछ तो अटपटा सा लग रहा है ये. I don't know what it is. It's so cute though. It's like a head wrap. Like when you wash your hair, तो ये microfiber वाला टाल नहीं होता, but you can just put your hair in it and just, I think it has buttons also. Yeah, it has this button here. So when you're drying your hair and you just put your hair in this and just ऊपर ला के ना उसको तुम बटन से ऐसे बंद कर सकते हो. ये तुम अपने नॉर्मल तौलिए से भी कर सकते हो. ये तुम ऐसा नहीं है तुम्हें ये चाहिए लाइफ में, ये तुम कर सकते हो ऑफ कोर्स विद योर नॉर्मल टाल. बट आई वांटेड टू बी bougie, cute, extra, so I got this one, and it's microfiber, so it's anyway good for your hair. So yeah, I am happy that I got it. Okay, next let's see what we have. कुछ तो मुझे red color का दिख रहा है उसमें. I'm very excited about it. It's such a cute top. Like it's your normal white t-shirt but with some like, you know, pinching details with some gold hardware. This is such a nice basic, to be honest. It's like a really cute going out top. Like wear it with your heels and blue jeans. It's gonna make such a smart outfit, I feel. What do we think? But this seems super cute. Like ऐसा होता है ना, पहली नज़र में कैसा लग रहा है वो अच्छा लग रहा है यार. पहली नज़र में. My brain is like all over the place, but yeah, you can see how it looks. Next, रेडी आया मेरे हाथ में. नीचे मुझे 2 चीज़ें और दिख रही है पोल्का डॉट में, and this is our second thing of the video जो कि पोल्का डॉट में है. Let's see. Oh, it's backless. Okay, this is definitely going in my vacation वाला जो मेरा लॉट है ना ड्रेसेस का, विच इज़ ऑनेस्टली जो मेरे रेगुलर वेयर कपड़े हैं ना उससे बड़ा मेरा वेकेशन वेयर का लॉट है. सो दिस इज़ गोना बी इन दैट. इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल मैक्सी ड्रेस विद अ बैकलेस लुक. ये जो स्ट्रिंग्स है इसके लिए यहाँ पे लूप्स दिए गए हैं टू टाइटन इट एंड टू सिक्योर इट बेसिकली. एंड या, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. इट्स अगेन वेरी सिंपल, वेरी पुराना स्टाइल का वेकेशन वाला ड्रेस, बट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट बिकॉज द रेड दिस रेड गाइज, इट्स सो प्रिटी. मतलब बहुत सारे शेड्स ऑफ रेड होते हैं, बट दिस वन लुक्स अमेजिंग एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोना लव इट. हम देखते हैं कि कैसा लग रहा है ट्राई ऑन में, बट दिस सेम्स लाइक सच अ क्यूट day dress. Let's see what we have next. I think it's a top, but again it's in like polka dot fabric and मुझे भी समझना पड़ेगा ये. वाओ, this is so cute you guys. like मैंने ना स्क्रीन पे देखा ना तो मुझे समझ आया पीछे से, क्योंकि ये इस तरह से है कुछ, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे टाई करने का है इधर, बट इट लुक्स लाइक अ रैप अराउंड सम ऑफ सम सॉर्ट. मतलब ये थोड़ा मुझे लग रहा है बैकलेस स्टाइल में ही आएगा पीछे से. आई एम गोना ट्राई इट एंड चेक हाउ इट लुक्स, बट हाउ स्मार्ट दिस इज लाइक, राइट. इसको वाइट पैंट्स के साथ में पहनूँ अगर, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ये. इट्स सच अ कूल trendy going out top again and very summery also. Like I think polka dots are so cute for summers and I can't wait to style it. थोड़ा सा आँखों को ब्रेक देते हैं ना polka dot से. Let me pick up something else. Next thing that we have here is actually this oversized joggers. So regular wear में I don't wear joggers, I want to be clear about that. but मुझे ना कुछ बहुत ही comfortable, बहुत ही oversized चाहिए था for my airport looks, and basically just to be more comfortable on the airport and not wear a jeans. and this seems like that. It has like this white band going on and it's in your like grey color. एंड आप देख सकते हो कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाइड लेग्ड है, एकदम ओवरसाइज वाला फिट है इसका. अब मुझे जो इसका डाउट है वो मुझे पहन के ही पता चलेगा कि ये मुझे लेंथ में छोटा लग रहा है. छोटा इज इन, अगर तुम्हारी हाइट 5'4" से ज़्यादा है और अगर आप हाई वेस्ट पहनते हो तो आपको इसका जो लेंथ है ना वो छोटा लग सकता है. लाइक यू कैन सी इट हियर प्रॉपरली. आई एम 5'4", तो मुझे थोड़ा फ्लोर से टच होता हुआ ओवरसाइज जॉगर्स चाहिए थे, लाइक जो मैं चलूँ तो गंदे हो जाए, यू नो. आई वॉन्टेड, बट ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ये छोटा ही है. तो हमारे पास दो ही चीज़ें और बची है. वन इज़ रेड एंड वन इज़ polka dot. Let's see, this is also brown guys. Now the fabric is not very premium, again it's polyester, but because इसका कलर थोड़ा डार्क है और प्रिंट इस तरह से है ना, लाइक बिजी प्रिंट है बहुत, तो ये नहीं पहन के बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा कि तुमने कुछ बहुत सस्ता कपड़ा पहना हुआ है. नहीं लगेगा वो, लाइक सस्ता इज इन क्वालिटी में सस्ता, बट इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली पॉलीएस्टर. सो जस्ट इन केस तुम्हें पॉलीएस्टर पहनने में स्किन पे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, देन डोंट गो for this. but for the silhouette of it and for the look of it, I love it. this is very dreamy and Pinteresty, and polyester से मुझे इतनी कोई एलर्जी नहीं हुई है, टचवुड, आज तक. so I am gonna wear it happily because this is so cute. like the silhouette of it is so Pinteresty and very cute, and you can see how it looks on me. The size that I'm wearing here is size small. and okay, the next dress and the last dress that we have, actually I have high hopes from this. Okay, I would call it like a party dress or like a birthday dress because it has these flowers and my hopes are crushed. I guess I'm sad. Okay, so this is the dress, okay, on the website, and I thought this can be my birthday dress, though my birthday is very far away. It's in July. But the hopes were that the color of these 3D flowers that you see will match the color of the dress, but these are a little lighter. मैं पहन के तुम्हें बताऊंगी कि मेरा इसकी हाँ है या ना है ड्रेस के लिए, बट देखने में मुझे थोड़ी सी लगी कि ये थोड़ा सा टोमेटो रेड है एंड इट्स अ लिटिल डीपर रेड. एंड मुझे इसका एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी कि इसमें जिप है, दोनों साइड में कॉर्सेट है, सो इट इज़ गोना cinch your waist like very beautifully. so let's just hope that it looks as Pinteresty as I thought it would and as beautiful as I thought it would. मेरे को थोड़ा सा डाउट है कि ये जो 3D कलर, मतलब ये जो फ्लावर्स है ना, कि it might look off, but then again let's not judge it before wearing it. So I'm gonna wear it and see how it looks. And अगर मैं fabric की बात करूँ तो it's not a bad fabric at all. Like इसमें बिल्कुल भी stretch नहीं है. So and अंदर से भी it looks, it's a little, मैं पास से दिखाती हूँ, थोड़ा सा जो इसका लुक है ना वो क्रिंकल्ड वाले फैब्रिक वाला है. तो वैसे ओवरऑल मैं बोलूँ तो आई लाइक इट. But yeah, that was it about my Savannah haul. This is everything that they sent me this month. You let me know which one was your favorite item from today's video, and of course मेरा discount code आप use कर सकते हो for a special discount for yourself. And shopping links are also mentioned in the description box below. Make sure that you check them out, and happy shopping. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.